how to check if exclusions apply in Capital One shopping deal. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to see what exclusions apply in the deals on Capital One shopping? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your browser and head over to CapitalOneShopping.com, and then right on the home page you'll be able to see various deals. Now to see if exclusions apply, you'll need to tap on the eye icon. So here you can see what exclusions apply. Like it is not eligible for purchases of automotive tires, Apple products, Beats products, groceries, food, and more. Similarly, you can see for Temu, and then you can see for PetSmart, you can see it for various deals. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.